In lesson 12 of module 6, the students learned about the median and when to use it. And I started with Khan Academy first because I really like how they did it. The following data points represent the number of snow days each school district in Mill County has had last winter. Sort the data from least to greatest. So what I really like about Khan Academy is you can physically move the numbers for the students. Okay. And median is the middle set of numbers. So to find it or locate it, I cross one out at a time until I get to the middle. Okay, so I believe that the middle number of snow days is 4. So now I just have to grab my keyboard. And I am going to type in 4 and see if I'm right. Perfect, okay. I'm going to try another one. The following data points represent the number of patients that were seen by each doctor at Broaden Medical Center last week. Okay, again, I'm going to order them least to greatest. And I'm going to cross them out till I get to the middle. Okay, and I'm going to say this is 9. Oops. Let's try that again. This is Kramer. Perfect. Okay, now this is the type that I was hoping I would get to with Khan Academy on my video. Again, I'm going to order them least to greatest, and I'm going to cross them out one at a time. But now I find that I have 2 middles, okay? You cannot have 2 middles in statistics. You need a very exact median. So to find the median, you add the 2 numbers in the center, and you divide by 2. So the median for this data set is 7. Perfect. Now that's how you just find the straight median. Now there's also I had my students try this. They had to find the median from data plots or graphs. So with a dot plot, I just encourage my students to cross one out at a time from each side. Okay, so the median from this dot plot should be 5. Okay, perfect. Let's try another one. Jose tracks how many times he got fast food each month. He got it 12 times January, 10 times in February, 18 times in March, 4 in April, 2 times in May. So this wasn't a data chart or anything, but they gave us it. Hopefully we could do it like a frequency table. 10 should be the answer here. And let's do, oh, this one I love. It's very tricky. The following frequency table shows the number of Kai's pictures published in each of the local newspapers. So, 0 happened 2 times. So you have to make that in your list 2 times. 1 picture happened once. 2 pictures happened 0 times. 3 pictures happened twice. And 4 pictures happened once. Now from this, I have to find my center, and in this instance I have 2 middles. 1 plus 3 is 4, and 4 divided by 2 would mean that the median of this data set would be 2. Okay, and then I gave them lesson 12 in class today, but we didn't use it. So maybe I can just go over one with you. The amount of precipitation in the western states in the U.S. is given in a table as well as a graph. Okay, so here are the states, okay, in the west, and it's plotted. How do the amounts vary across the state? Okay, when they talk about how much things vary, you are going to go from your lowest to your highest. Looks like that's about 64. So the range is 10 to 64, which gives you a range exactly. It varies, the precipitation varies about 54 inches because the maximum minus the minimum is 54. Wants us to find the median. Okay, and the problem set number 1, 2. So I'm going to take each side and cross them out until I get to a middle. And I have made mistakes with these going too fast, so try just to make sure that you're going slow. The median in this data set would be 16 inches. And what does it tell you about the amount of precipitation? the median is a measure of center, so most western states on average could get about 16 inches of precipitation. And that's all I'm going to go over from this data set. So hopefully you stay and watch the rest and do some educating questions.